everyone, I'm Zoe. I am a traditional Chinese medicine chef and nutritionist from Shanghai, but currently I'm in my studio in Brooklyn, and today we're going to make a really yummy and special saffron cauliflower rice. So let's get started. Okay, so we first going to make the cauliflower into a rice by using a food processor. And cauliflower is really an amazing ingredient in traditional Chinese medicine. It's considered slightly warming to neutral, so it's a really good energetics. Food processor, and let's see if it works. Let's try. Yes! Okay. Just pick out the big pieces. So now we're gonna move on to the stove. Heat our pan, which I got from a brand called Material Kitchen. I really love this pan. Easy to clean and doesn't stick and just functions really good. So on medium-high fire, I am going to add, oh look at this, just gorgeous yellow color. It just melts beautifully. It's smelling so amazing. A pinch of saffron, cauliflower in. Then I'm going to season with salt. I like its texture right now, so I'm going to turn off the fire. And then we can plate it. It can be a really good, how do you say, side dish, or you can just serve it as rice.